Hey everyone, learn how to activate your Mint mobile plan with a physical SIM card on your Android phone quickly and easily. Let's get you connected in no time. Download the eSIM, click Activate SIM, and follow on screen instructions to create a Mint mobile account via the app or a website. For those bringing their own phone, ensure it is carrier unlocked and compatible with Mint Mobile. Step 1. Check unlock status. For iOS, open the Settings app and tap General, then About, look for Carrier Lock or No SIM Restrictions. If it says No SIM Restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked. For Android, open the Settings app and go to Connections or Network and Internet. Look for network operators or mobile networks. Choose your SIM and disable automatically select network. If you see an option to select network other than current, your phone is likely unlocked. You have contact current provider support to unlock your phone. Step 2. Check compatibility. If you are bringing your own phone, make sure your phone is compatible with Mint Mobile. Go to Bring Your Own Phone page, select your brand name and model, click Check Phone button to know the compatibility. Alternatively, you can also enter your phone IMEI number, click Check Phone button to check the details. To find mobile IMEI number, dial star hash 06 hash on your phone's keypad. The IMEI number will appear on the screen. On Android, open the Settings app, go to About Phone and scroll down to find the IMEI number. On iOS, open the Settings app, select General, then About and scroll down to locate the IMEI number. Step 3. Update your device. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, then go to Software Update. Tap Download and Install if an update, example iOS 18, is available. Follow on-screen instructions. If storage is low, delete apps temporarily or enable automatic app restoration post upgrade. For Android, go to Settings, then System, then go to Software Update. Varies by brand, like Samsung uses Settings, then go to Software Update. Pixel uses System Update. Tap Download and Install if an update is available. Step 4. Open Mint mobile app. Method 1. Activate using app. Connect to Wi-Fi and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open App Store or Google Play and download the Mint mobile app. Alternatively, scan the QR code by visiting Mint mobile app download page to download the app. Open the app and select Activate SIM. Check for the 11-digit ACT code found on the top left side of the SIM kit. Step 5. Enter ACT code. Enter the 11-digit ACT code and click Continue button. Now select Get a New One if it is a new number. If you want to transfer your number, select Keep Your Current One. If you are bringing your own number, enter current phone number that you want to port in, then enter zip code, click Continue. Select your carrier. If you cannot see your carrier, search your carrier from input box, enter your account number, transfer PIN and billing account zip code. Finally, enter your details such as first name, last name and email. Mark the checkbox, wait for the process to complete. Now create your account using name and email address. Input your password, click create account. Method 2. Activate using website. Go to Mint mobile activation page, enter 11-digit ACT code at the back of your SIM card and select get started. If it is eSIM, you can find it on your email. Step 6. Create account. Follow the activation instructions provided with your Mint mobile SIM card during activation. Choose get a new one to receive a new number based on your zip code. If you are bringing your own number, select keep existing one. Select your carrier and enter required details such as current provider number, zip code, current provider name and transfer PIN. Then you will be asked to create Mint mobile account by setting username and password. Step 7. Activate the SIM. Insert your newly activated Mint SIM card into your phone. Use the SIM ejector tool provided in your Mint SIM kit if needed. You will see the SIM is activated and connected to the Mint mobile service. For Android users, set up APN, which is Access Point Name Settings, to enable internet connectivity using Mint Mobile's guide. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.